Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta yourself. First, you'll need to gather your simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, fresh eggs, and a little salt. On a clean surface, make a mound of flour and create a well in the middle. Crack your eggs directly into this well. Slowly incorporate the flour into the eggs, forming a shaggy dough. Then, knead it until it's smooth and elastic. Once your dough comes together, it's time for the most important step: kneading. Work the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and springs back when you poke it. This develops the gluten. Next, wrap your beautiful dough tightly in plastic wrap. Let it rest on your counter for at least 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten, making it easier to roll.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this easy pasta guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, after all that delicious cooking, you might want your car smelling just as good. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part: rolling and shaping. Divide your rested dough into smaller, more manageable pieces. Using a pasta machine or a good old rolling pin, roll each piece until it's very thin, almost translucent. The thinner, the better for delicate pasta. Finally, cut your sheets into your favorite shapes like classic fettuccine or wide pappardelle. You're almost there. Cooking fresh pasta is incredibly fast. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, making sure to salt it generously. This seasons the pasta from the inside out. Carefully add your freshly cut pasta to the boiling water. It will cook very quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes. Drain it immediately and toss with your favorite sauce for a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.